Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And as we're talking about bloatware, about malware, or without being malware, unwanted software that can be installed on our PCs when you install something else, um, and more broadly to all the technology we use, there's the automatic content recognition, which is becoming much of a problem today. Companies like LG, Samsung, Sony, and many others have TCL and so on, some of the most popular TV manufacturers also are right now kind of in trouble because it seems that their TVs are spying on you and looking at what the content you're watching and sending that data back to these companies. And of course, that's another place of a lot of controversy here as to, we buy these devices. We have very little knowledge of what they actually do behind the scenes. It's the same with, PC software. We get software off the internet and we're wondering, in that software, what exactly is being sent back to the manufacturer of that software, to the software maker. And we kind of wonder, is some of it infringing on our privacy? I mean, when you start doing telemetry, we know Windows has telemetry. It explains what the telemetry is all about. Still, in that telemetry, people want to know what's being sent out. What do I have being sent to Microsoft, for example? Here, what's interesting is that with the diagnostics data, you can actually view your data, and there is a diagnostics data viewer within Windows 11 that lets you see what is being sent out. So you can go and check out what's being sent, but in the case of a lot of software, there's telemetry being used and there's data being sent, and we have no idea. And there's no means and no way to understand and see what exactly are you getting from our own technology. And I think this is, these are places where we need to have much harder regulation that just tells these companies, no, you're not going to do what you want. Here are the guidelines, and you cannot infringe past this, area of snooping on people. And I think we need something that has a lot of power to make sure that we keep the manufacturers to a certain level, that they don't go too far and pretty much know what we do with our computers or TVs or smart devices, as we have more and more smart devices in our homes. This is getting complicated. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.